po natin
I will come to that. I
talakayin
will come
yung
to that. Let me
30
explain.
years.
Let me
No,
explain.
Mr. Oñate, do not please argue with the members of the committee. Tinatanong ko lang po kung handa si Mr. Oñate bayaran ang 6% donors tax sa 55 million pesos dun sa ad na yan. Mr. Oñate, handa po ba kayong bayaran yung donors tax ng buong 55 million pesos na yan?
Well, you know, I just want the committee to know that I have been a political operator for the past 30 plus years.
Mr.
And,
Oñate,
yeah,
wag
yeah,
na
yeah,
po natin
I will come to that. I
talakayin
will come
yung
to that. Let
30
me explain.
years.
Let me
No,
explain.
Mr. Oñate, do
So-
not please
so,
argue
what-
with the members of the committee. Ang tinatanong ko lang po, kasi sabi kanina ni Attorney Abisado, you are requesting for more time. Actually po, nabigyan na po kayo ng 2 linggo kalahating buwan nitong komite para humingi ng simpleng mga impormasyon. Ngayon, we are giving you the benefit of the doubt na totoong sinasabi ninyo na ibinayad nyo na lang yung kalahati ng 55 million pesos. Gusto ko pang
That is
sundin,
correct.
excuse me Mr. Oñate, gusto pong sundin, Madam Chair, yung line of questioning ni Senator Nancy. So kung yung tax due 1 month later ay ngayon sinasalo nyo na lahat, handa po ba kayong bayaran yung buong donors tax ng 55 million pesos at the rate of 6%?
Madam Chair, if I may, that is a legal question and
No,
with
Madam
a-
Chair, and I was asking Mr. Oñate, not the good attorney.
Yeah,
It is
ma'am.
not a legal question po. It is a matter of fact. Facts po yung tinatanong ng komite. Iniiba-iba nyo yung mga sequence of events or yung events na nag-transpire. We are giving you the benefit of the doubt. Tinatanong ko lang po, a non-legal question, kung handa si Mr. Oñate bayaran ang 6% donors tax sa 55 million pesos dun sa ad na iyan, Madam
Yes, ma'am.
Chair.